Example number 3. Solve m minus 1, 3m plus 5 equals 16m. We do not apply the zero product property right away because we need to have quadratic equation with the zero on one side. So we first of all need to get the quadratic equation. We will multiply, open the parentheses. That's what we usually do when we solve for the equation. We get 3m squared plus 5m minus 3m minus 5 equal 16m. Now we combine like terms, so we get 3m squared plus 2m minus 5 equal 16m. We need to have a zero on one side, so we subtract 16m for both sides. Then we got 3m squared minus 14m minus 5 equals 0. Then we can do factoring. We got 3m and 1m. For the 5, we will do 5 and 1. And if 1 and 5 does not work, we will switch the number. So we got 1m and 15m. We want to write out the answer is negative 14m, then minus 15 plus 1. We will set each parenthesis equal to 0 and then solve for the m. You notice that when we check for this problem, it always works, okay? So let's check the easy one. What if we have m equal to 5? Then we have 5 minus 1 equal 3 times 5 plus 5 equals 16 times 5. The first parenthesis is 4. The second parenthesis is 20. And 16 times 5 is 80. So we see that 80 equal to 80. So this gives us the true statement. So we will box our answer. The negative 1/3 you check by yourself. Example number 4. We have the 20 on one side. We need to make 0. We minus 20 first. And then we count. We see that we have 4 terms. The GCF for this problem is 1, and we will factor by grouping because we have 4 terms. We will take out the W square, then we got W plus 5 for the first group. We will pull out the 4, then inside we got M and 5. The M will be positive and the 5 will be positive also. Now we are not having the M but the W, right? Then W plus 5 is a common factor. We continue to factor it out. We got W squared minus 4. And notice that W squared is W and W. 4 is 2 and 2. To get minus 4, so we should have 1 plus and 1 minus. We have 3 parentheses. We learned the property that A times B, but what if we have one more, which is a C, then A equal to 0, B equal to 0, and C equal to 0. So in this problem, you got W plus 5 equal to 0, W plus 2 equal to 0, and W minus 2 equal to 0. we solve for one by one. And we get W equal -5, W equal -2, and W equal to 2.